Assalamu alaikum. My name is Shakeel Mansha and you are watching English with Shakeel Mansha. Today is our third lecture in the series of Basics of English Grammar. In the previous lecture, we were talking about the basic components of a sentence, and we talked about there are at least two components a sentence must comprises of. The first one is subject and the second one is predicate. Today we'll talk about subject. Okay, we all know subject is something that does an action. Subject is a person or is a thing that performs an action, or subject is the focus of sentence. Subject is what the sentence is about. For example, if I say he laughs. Now, who is performing an action? That is he who is laughing, so he must be a subject. In the second sentence that I am writing, look here, the chair is broken. Now, chair is something that cannot perform an action, but the chair is also the subject of this sentence. Why? Because the sentence is about the chair. The focus of the sentence is chair. Though chair cannot perform an action, yet chair is the subject here. Okay, there are two tests that we can use to find a subject in the sentence. The first one is replace the word that you might think a subject with this WH word who. For example, let's take this sentence. If I say he laughs. Now, to put the question into this sentence, the question would be who laughs? Any word that answers this question would be the subject. Oh, okay. Who laughs? So we all know he is the one that laughs. So he is the subject. Similarly, let's take another sentence. The boys are playing. Okay, if you feel confused, what is the subject of the sentence? Put the same test upon this sentence. Okay, we can say who are playing, and the answer would be who are playing? The boys are playing. So the boy is the subject. The second test is the test of what? You can also apply this test on a tense to find out the subject of that tense. For example, if I say what is broken, the answer would be the chair is broken. Now, you can say the word the chair answers this what? So we can say the chair in this sentence is the subject of the sentence. So by applying these two tests, you can find subject in a sentence. Thank you so much.